Alrighty guys, here we are at Dee's Garage in Corona. So we finished up the 1964 Chevelle Malibu convertible radio installation and a window tint. We cleaned up the full system as well. Here we go. Just gonna show you guys what we did on this vehicle, just in case you guys are interested on getting something like this done. If you like, we can help you out here at Dee's Garage. So this is customers Chevelle that they came in for radio install. I'm gonna show you guys what we did really quick. First of all, it's a beautiful car. We tinted the windows 75% on the windshield, ceramic to help them with the heat and just to protect the dash and all the interior as well. On the sides, we went and did the 55%, okay? 55, a real light shade, just to give it a nice kind of smoked look to it, but it's also gonna help the vehicle with heat rejection and infrared rejection. It's going to protect all this leather and all that good stuff. The back window, of course, we cannot do it because it is plastic. Most of the time you'll probably be rolling with this top down. It's nice and sunny out here. I'll roll that puppy down and get going. All right, so we did the radio. This is a retro sound style radio here. Really good company. I've installed multiple of their radios. Gives you that nice classic look on it, so looks really nice. We replaced the dash speaker. We also replaced the gloves department area. Now it's nice and clean, and we cleaned out all that ugly wiring that was down there. This one's got a nice USB, so you can charge your phone or listen to a USB stick, whichever you prefer. You got your microphone right there. Looks nice and clean. It's not too crazy, but there's no way to hide those things. We also did the Sirius XM. The antenna's right there. Let's jingle and jangle this puppy. Let's see if she fires up, just so you guys can hear it. Well, before I fire her up, let's go ahead and put it to accessory so you guys can see that the radio does fire up on accessory as well. Oops, sorry. I don't want to get copyright, so yeah, it sounds pretty good. We'll go ahead and switch it to Sirius XM. So yeah, it's a pretty neat radio. The customer didn't want to go too crazy. He just wants something to get in here and have a little music to listen to later on. I'm gonna recommend for him to get some more speakers and maybe a little amplifier, but that'll be up to him if he would like to do something a little bit louder. For now, he says he wants something simple, so that's what we did on this install here. Did I mention I replaced the glove department? You know, we replaced that one. The old one was all just kind of broken down and just kind of old. So we replaced it, put in a new one, replaced the speaker, changed out the radio, and we cleaned up some of the wiring that it had in here. Let's go ahead and fire this puppy up. I'll let you guys hear it. Got a good old block. Yeah, the weather's nice to go cruising right now for sure. Got a nice big block. This is a small block. I think it's a 350. So, I don't know who John Barrett Hot Rod Engines is, but there it is, gentlemen. Love them old blocks. My Monte Carlo's got a 305 in it. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna fix it up like that as soon as I get it back. All right, guys, there it is. All done. 1964. Let's go. Deuce Garage.